I'm back again and I have a new bow template. Today I'm going to be making a bow based on Bob's Burgers. Or it also kind of reminds me of SpongeBob a little bit. But this was also a customer request. And so I've cut all the pieces of my Cricut. I did use a Cricut Maker. It works really nice to cut these thicker glitter pieces, but I've also cut bows on my Explore machine as well. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is after we cut all of our pieces out, I'm going to make my bow, which is very simple. You're just going to glue right in the center, and then you're going to push the tabs down right there. Same thing on the other side. And this is just regular hot glue. I find it's the quickest and easiest. Some people like to use E6000. To me, I don't have the patience for that. But that's personal preference. Alright, so there is our basic bow. Alright, the next step is we're going to have this spatula for the burgers on the back. I think it's super cute. Okay, and so we're going to add that. Just get a little bit of glue right there in the center and stick that on there. Alright. Alright, so the next step is we're going to build the burger. So I have a burger bottom piece, and I made a little lip extra there so we can add the burger top. Here's my little burger patty. Okay. And then we'll do, which piece? Let's see, we'll do some lettuce. And I'm just going to keep building this up and stacking them and gluing them. Okay, there's my lettuce. Get a little ketchup on there. Again, just a little bit of glue. Okay, and then my cheese. I'm going to kind of push this down a little bit, make it a little sloppy. Alright, and then add my cheese on top. Careful, a little hot glue. Alright, so there's my burger. I just need the bun now. Get rid of these extra little pieces of glue string. Okay, so the top of my bun. Super cute. Alright, and then that's going to go right in the center. Alright, but before we do that, I do have little tiny seeds for my bun, so I'm just going to kind of make a couple of little dots around here, and then I'm going to stick these on. Little sesame seed bun. Gotta work quick. Okay, that's good. I got my little seeds on my bun. Alright, let's finish. I have a couple little extra seeds. That's up to you. You don't have to use them all. Alright, I'm going to wrap my center around my bow just to finish it off. Makes it look nice and complete. Okay, so on the back side, just going to fold that over. A little bit more glue here. And fold that one over. Okay. Alright, so now I can just add my burger. Alright, or we can mess around with some different options here. If you're going for the Bob's Burgers theme, I've got these bunny ears, so maybe we'll stick those in the back. Alright, I've got the little glasses. We can tuck those in somewhere. Alright, and then decide how we're gonna put our burger on there. Alright, so there's my ode to Bob's Burgers. It's adorable, right? And it's even for barbecue, party, 4th of July. You can even stick this over here on the spatula maybe, and then this over here on the side. You could change out the bow color. I just did it to match your glasses. Alright, so there it is. Alright, let me know what you think. Thanks.